Hello friends, welcome to CAD Maniac. This is Jitavo. We are using AutoCAD 2023 version for this tutorial, and this AutoCAD tutorial is all about creating this house section. And for learning AutoCAD submission sheet in details, install CAD Maniac app from Google Play Store, link given below. So here is the section line, and we are observing it from this side, the back side. So first I'll copy the ground floor and paste it over here in this side. Then I'll rotate the ground floor plan by 180 degrees. So type RO and press enter. Select the plan, press enter, click anywhere inside, then type 180 and press enter. I have done this so that it is convenient to draw this house section, as we are watching this house from this side, the back side. So first we'll draw a line which represents the ground level. So just draw a line as shown. Then I'll offset the line by 600 units to draw the plinth level. So offset it as shown. Now I'll draw the walls, and we will use construction line to draw this. So type XL and press enter. Type V and press enter to make vertical lines, and then just click at the two sides of the walls as shown. This column will be seen, so project these lines as well. Then continue projecting the lines of the walls. Here we are not cutting this wall, so only the outer line will be projected. Right click to exit from construction line. Now I'll trim a few lines, so type TR and press enter. Click on cutting edges in the command line. Select this line as the cutting edge, press enter, and then select all the lines as shown. To trim, right click to exit. I'll erase this to make it a bit convenient. Now type O and press enter. Specify the offset distance as 2875, which is the ceiling height. Press enter. Then offset the line upwards. Offset this line by 125 units, which is the slab thickness. Exit from offset command. This is the staircase area, so there will be no slab. Trim the portions as shown. Now extend the slabs by 100 units on both sides as shown. Then trim the portions as shown. Now the staircase area's complete height is 8550 mm. So draw a line by taking extension as shown. Offset the line by 100 units upwards to draw the slab. Then just trim the lines as shown. Then just extend the slab by 100 units on both sides as shown. Now to create the beam, type REC and press enter, and draw a rectangle of 250 units length and 350 units width. Then just draw two lines as shown. Then use break line command and draw a break line as shown. Then just copy and place as shown. There is no beam here, so just two lines will be seen. Then use trim command and trim the lines as shown. Right click to exit. Now give line command, take 450 units extension upwards as shown, and then draw a line as shown. This is for the sand filling. Offset the line upwards by 75 units. Next layer is BFS, brick flat soling, and the upper one is PCC. Then trim the lines as shown. Now I'll add hatch, so type H and press enter. Select AR sand hatch pattern and click inside the boundaries as shown to add the hatch. Add the brick pattern in the next layer. I'm changing the scale to 15. Now use the AR concrete pattern hatch to the next layer. Change the scale back to 1. Now the ground floor and the first floor is almost similar. So just copy the ground floor upwards by 3000 units as shown. Now by using line command, draw the parapet wall. Make it 750 mm high. Here these two wall sections will be visible. Take thickness of parapet wall as 125 mm. Here lines of this column will be visible, so draw this one as well. Draw the steps as shown at the entrance of 250 mm tread and 150 mm rise. So that's it for this video, guys. Remaining portion of the house section will be shown in the next video. So till then, stay healthy, stay safe, bye bye.